Paris is a city of history, culture and romance like no other. Its romantic atmosphere draws people from all over the world who come to experience its delightful cafes and enjoy its amazing architecture. Parisians themselves are famous for their love of fashion, art, food and wine. Nestled along the serene banks of the Seine River, Paris, often dubbed the City of Love and City of Lights, exudes an enchanting blend of history, art, culture, and romance that has captured the hearts of travelers for centuries. With its iconic landmarks, rich history, and vibrant people, Paris stands as an embodiment of elegance and sophistication, drawing millions of visitors each year to its cobblestone streets and charming neighborhoods. City of monuments and landmarks, Paris boasts a wealth of architectural marvels that tell the tales of its intricate past. The Eiffel Tower, Paris's most recognizable landmark, rises gracefully above the city's skyline, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the urban landscape. The Notre Dame Cathedral, with its Gothic spires and intricate detailing, stands as a testament to the city's artistic heritage, while the Sacré-Île de Copyright Car Basilica atop Montmartre offers a spiritual retreat and panoramic views of the city. The Champs-Élysées de Copyright, a grand avenue lined with trees, shops, and theaters, leads to the majestic Arc de Triomphe, a tribute to France's military history. The Louvre Museum, a world-renowned repository of art and history, houses timeless masterpieces like the Mona Lisa and the Venus de Milo. Paris's urban design, characterized by its wide boulevards and intimate alleys, creates an inviting environment that beckons exploration. A melting pot of cultures and people. Paris is a tapestry woven with threads from around the world. A melting pot of cultures. The city is a reflection of global diversity. Parisians are known for their impeccable fashion sense and sophisticated lifestyle. As you stroll through the streets, you'll witness the fusion of traditional Parisian elegance with modern trends, creating a unique and ever-evolving style. Cafés de Copyright serve as social hubs where people from all walks of life gather to engage in conversations, savor espresso, and indulge in delectable pastries. The Parisian lifestyle is a delicate balance between work and leisure, with a strong emphasis on savoring the finer things in life. It's not uncommon to see locals spending hours at a bistro, discussing art, philosophy, or simply relishing the art of conversation. A historical tapestry. Paris's history dates back over 2 millennia, and its streets are alive with the echoes of past events. The city was a center of intellectual and artistic revolution during the Age of Enlightenment, and its influence on literature, philosophy, and art has been profound. The French Revolution, a pivotal turning point in history, unfolded on the streets of Paris, leading to the city's reputation as a symbol of liberty and democracy. The scars of World War II are visible in monuments and memorials that honor the city's resilience and sacrifice. The Sacré-Île de Copyright Resistance Monument and the Holocaust Memorial serve as reminders of the city's role in resisting oppression and promoting human rights. Enchanting neighborhoods and hidden gems. Beyond the well-trodden tourist paths, Paris reveals a myriad of enchanting neighborhoods, each with its distinct personality. Montmartre, a hilly area crowned by the Sacré-Île de Copyright Car Basilica, was once the gathering place for artists like Picasso and Van Gogh. La Mairie, a historic district, boasts narrow streets, charming boutiques, and a thriving LGBTQ+ scene. Saint-Germain des Prés de Copyright, the intellectual heart of the city, has been a haven for writers, philosophers, and artists for centuries. Paris's green spaces are equally captivating. Luxembourg Gardens offer a tranquil oasis for relaxation, while Parc des Buttes Chaumont rolling hills and waterfalls provide a sense of escapism within the city limits. Culinary delights and gastronomic adventures. No exploration of Paris is complete without indulging in its culinary delights. The city is a haven for food lovers, boasting a wide array of bistros, brasseries, and Michelin-starred restaurants. From the iconic croissant to escargot and coq au vin, Parisian cuisine is a celebration of flavor, tradition, and innovation. The bustling open-air markets, such as Marché de Copyright Bastille and Rue Mouffetard, offer a glimpse into the city's gastronomic soul. In conclusion, Paris, with its timeless elegance, iconic landmarks, diverse neighborhoods, and rich history, stands as a cultural marvel that continues to inspire and captivate. The city's unique blend of past and present, tradition and innovation, makes it a destination that not only embraces its history but also shapes the future. As you wander through its charming streets, engage in conversations with its people, and immerse yourself in its art and culture, you'll undoubtedly experience the enchantment that has made Paris a symbol of romance and sophistication for generations.